Hello rail fans, and welcome back to another French Fried Trains Minecraft build showcase, where we look back at some older builds newer subscribers might not know that we have done. And today we're looking at something very interesting. This is the Schwerwer Gustov Railgun, which is a massive cannon mounted on 2 train tracks that was used by the Germans in World War II. And it is the largest rail cannon ever made, and as you can see, it is very massive and complicated here. So this was a pretty intense build. And if you come up here, you can see it just has all these different levels. And if you want to build this, there is a tutorial up for it on the channel already, which I'll have linked in the description. And up here, these are supposed to be the shells, and they have their own rail on cart system to bring the heavy shells forward to load into the gun up here. And like I said, we do have a tutorial up for this if you want to build this awesome gun. And underneath you can see it is 2 completely separate hulls, and this thing is so massive it's mounted on just tons and tons of rail wheels on each track and needed multiple locomotives to pull it. So this is what it looks like here. I just wanted to show this off, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and everyone have a great week.